Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable USB debugging on Android for development, complete guide step by step clearly. To enable USB debugging on your Android device, first, open the Settings app from your home. Scroll down and find the About Phone section. Tap on About Phone. Look for the build number entry. Tap the build number 7 times. You will see a message indicating that you are now a developer. Now, go back to the main settings menu. Find and tap on System. In the System menu, look for Developer Options. Tap on Developer Options to locate the USB debugging option within the Developer Options menu. Toggle the switch to enable USB debugging. A confirmation dialog will appear to verify your choice. Read the prompt carefully, then tap OK to confirm. Your device is now set up for USB debugging. To connect your device to your computer, use a USB cable. Choose the appropriate USB connection mode when prompted on your device. Select File Transfer or MTP mode for better compatibility. You are now ready to use USB debugging for development tasks. This will allow you to test applications more efficiently on your Android device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.